Hey beauties, it's Daisy here. If you are new and if you're not, thanks for returning. So today I'm going to tell you all about this curly wig that I have. I installed it and slayed it here. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, then make sure you stay tuned. So let's get right into it. We have Dom Millie hair. There's the box that they sent me. Came with the black wig cap, which I will not be using, an adjustable strap, which I don't use, but some people like it. And I'm gonna show you the unboxing of this hair. The curl pattern is A1, straight out the packaging. The hair, well, I would say the lace is kind of transparent. It kind of has like a tint of a brown color, but it matches my skin tone pretty well. It is a little bit darker as well toward my skin tone, so if you're darker than me, then it will work perfectly for you. If you're lighter, then let's see if they can get a lighter lace, but you can always finesse the wig using your foundation. I'm going to show you that towards the end, and we're going to get into this install. I installed it originally a couple of days ago, but I didn't like the way that it came out and I didn't finish the video, so we are installing this wig again. I did put some highlights in this hair off camera, but I want to show you guys how the wig looks. If you guys are interested in a tutorial on how I highlight the hair, just check out one of my older videos. I'll have it in the description box below. But coloring hair is really easy. Just put a couple highlights. I use the extra bleaching powder. I use to bleach these knots, and just put a couple of highlights in here. And I use Got to Be Glue to lay the wig. If you're not new to my channel, you know how I do. And I'm using my blow dryer on a cool setting for 30 seconds to a minute until this lace looks melted. And we are going to make sure we get these edges right, okay? Especially towards, what is that called? Like your sideburns. Sometimes that lifts up, so you want to make sure that you glue that down like really secure, especially with curly wigs, because you're going to put water in the hair, so you don't want your wig to lift. So you may see me use a little bit of extra glue, but it's going to all dry. And we're going to take a scarf and just cover the wig so it will lay in place, and it also helps to melt the lace. And as you can see here, this wig came pre-plucked. I did do a little bit of plucking for like 10 minutes off camera, but straight out the packaging, you're good. If you don't want to do some extra plucking, you'll be fine. Trust me. But I always customize my wigs so the hairline looks like my hairline or as close as possible. So you want to get a good layer of hair out, and then we're going to cut this. So just keep watching. This wig that has 13x4 parting space, so you can part it wherever you would like. Instead of doing the original middle part that I always do, I try to do a little swoop here. Took a couple of tries to get it exactly how I want it, and you want to make sure you cover those tracks because we do not need those to show. And then I'm going to take my water bottle mixed with conditioner and just spray that all over the hair so I can make sure everything is just even. The curls are just, you know, flowing together. Using water mixed with conditioner helps give the hair more moisture throughout the day, and it helps to keep the curls secure, because if you just put water in a wig and just let it air dry, it's going to be like really poofy, sometimes frizzy. But if you're looking to make the wig like really big and has a lot of volume, then try not to put as many products in it, because all of these extra products will actually help the wig have that wet look. And I'm using my Fruit Garnier, some little butter. Well, I think it's curling butter. And it's like conditioner, and I'm just placing that all over the hair. This also helps to keep the curls in place and make sure they don't go flat or anything. When you have all the products in the hair and you're brushing it out, you want to make sure that you are scrunching the hair so you aren't brushing out all those curls. We want all the curls to just show through and shine, baby. Now I use duck clips to help keep the hair out of my face when I am doing my makeup, and it also helps to make sure that the hair isn't just falling all in my face throughout the day. And I'm using some foundation in that parting space to make it look as natural as possible. So here we have the final look. I have this gorgeous curly lace front wig. It's from Don Millie Hair, which you guys probably already seen because I gave you all the details. But I'm gonna tell you my final thoughts. I love this hair. The curl pattern is bomb, as you can see. Super cute. I love how I added a little bit of color to this hair, gives it a nice little pop and highlight. This hair is everything makeup flawless, so I had to give a natural beat for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this hair. It has 13 by 4 parting space, so I did a little swoop here. Looks very natural, as well as the lace. Everything is just flawless. Like, I have nothing bad to say about this hair. It does shed a little bit, but nothing too crazy. It's manageable. What else can I say? Oh, tangling, doesn't tangle. I would run my fingers through, but I ain't trying to mess with these curls. I put in work, okay? And it takes hours to dry. A tip for you guys is, if once you do your hair and you get it styled exactly how you want it, don't run your fingers through it, especially curls, because it's just gonna make it look all frizzy and not in place. You want everything to stay in place and flawless. So I want to thank Don Millie Hair for sending me this hair. It looks absolutely bomb. Now, if you are not subscribed, I need you to hit that subscribe button below. Also, give your girl a thumbs up if you did like this video. I would truly appreciate it. So until my next video, peace.